Tuesday press conference. We have here Michelle Gumabo, Coach Erwin Meneses, and Coco Chong at the Team 9 Cool Smashers who won in straight sets against the next, 4 sets, against the next Chameleons. Coach, congratulations on this win. Slow start for Team 9 ng first set, pero nabawi naman in the later set. Siguro what changed now for the team after losing that first set?
Thank you. Yun nga, yung mindset namin naman is yung situation, kailangan na makarecover sa mga errors and maybe sa mga miscommunication namin ng first sets. So, happy naman kami kasi nakarecover kami from 4 sets.
Thank you, Coach. And best player of the game, MG, with 13 points. Siguro sa player side na lang din, paano nyo lang din make sure na makukuha nyo itong win na to after dropping that first set against Mexico?
We just really have to follow yung mga, of course, yung positions namin sa loob, and yung execution namin kanina. We really needed to minimize our errors and to do better sa attacks namin. Yun, dun kami nagkulang talaga sa first set, di kami naka-convert. So, pag nasabihan naman kami ng mga coaches namin, yun, we just really have to apply it in the game.
Thank you. And for Coco, in that fourth set, there was a moment where Nextlet really gave you guys a hard fight, but how did you guys manage to stay composed and eventually get this win?
I will honestly say we got a little lucky there when they missed that serve because the momentum swung back to our side, and then we closed out the match. So there was a little bit of luck on our side there, and then we closed out in the end.
Thank you. The floor is open for questions.
Coco, can you take us through how did you guys? Coco, can you take us through how did you guys rally yourselves in the court during the after the set one loss?
Yeah, I think we tried to find the joy again. I think that first set we were a little tense and we weren't playing our normal kind of volleyball, and we were kind of like hesitant, and we kind of like go and play a little bit more free in the rest of the match, and with confidence and a little bit more trust.
MG, gano'n lang ka-importante na you guys stay composed, especially yung sobrang competitive na field ngayon dito sa PPL?
Syempre doon naman yung practice namin every day that adds to our composure, that adds to our confidence, not only in ourselves but in our teammates. Pero sabi nga ni Coach, magkamali ka ng isa, you make a mistake, there's always another area or another way to get it back. So kailangan yung focus lang namin on paano kami makabawi, and how we can make a point, not for anything but also for our team na to contribute in any way we can, because volleyball has so many areas where you can step up. So we just really have to commit ourselves to all those areas and also help one another. Teamwork talaga siya sa loob.
Siya yung sa nabanggit na po ni MG sa errors, paano lang i-minimize ng team moving forward yung mga errors?
Siyempre, number one is talaga sa training, huwag ka magiging careless sa dalaw mo para mabawasan yung mga errors namin. I think talagang more of touches talaga kami sa training para ma-minimize namin yung mga errors.
For Coco, besides the offense, it was evident on the defense side that you were handling at the back end. Just talk about the focus you have on supporting team in that.
Like we talked about, any way that I can help, and the composure point, and if I'm not scoring very much this match, or I was having a tough time in like the first set per se, I'll find another way to help the team the best that I can. And today for me that was defense. So I tried to set it up the best that I could there, and read and see anything that I could in the back row.
Coach, nung second set, after the first set na talo, parang pinasok niyo si Tots and si Sheila, tapos nag-iba rin yung complexion ng laro. Parang ano lang ba nakita niyo dun sa takbo ng team na talagang mas naging smooth yung takbo?
Wala naman, parehas lang siguro. Siguro nag-adjust na kami ng konti sa second six. I think, yun nga, sabi nga nila ni Coco kanina, medyo lucky kami din sa ibang break talaga na pupunta sa amin. So, wala naman siguro. Same lang kasi yung team namin. Kahit sino yung pasok mo naman, alam naman yun yung gagawin.
MG, ayun, kayo yung defending champions. Siguro pumapasok ba once in a while sa team, well, kayo yung defending champions natin first conference. Paano yung tinikikos?
Honestly, wala. Kinalimutan na namin. Naalala mo pa natin, hindi talaga namin iniisip yung past or yung record, or hindi namin iniisip na kami yung defending champion. Talaga, when we step into the game, respect for all of our opponents, and syempre kailangan ibigay talaga namin yung best namin. So mahirap talaga sa amin na kinakalaban namin yung sarili namin through our errors. So more on, syempre we're gonna draw confidence from that na defending champion kami, but we have to work na parang hindi. So we really have to work harder than the other teams because they're also working hard. We have to play smarter, and kailangan pagpasok namin talaga sa loob ng court, mas gigil kami because kapag masyado kaming relaxed, as what happened to the first set, medyo yung energy namin bumababa talaga. So kailangan mas, para kami talagang naghahabol every game, and yun, maging composed lang kami all throughout. Yun naman yung importante nito.
Coach, dito sa second round, every win matters talaga. You're going up against Choco Mucho in your next game. Siguro, how will this win help you guys heading into that match?
Siyempre, big factor yung win namin ngayon coming from the next game namin sa Choco Mucho. Kasi I think excited din kami na almost 6 months na ba o 7 months namin hindi nakakalaban ng Choco Mucho. So excited kami na makalaban sila.
Thank you, Coach. Thank you, MC. Thank you, Coach.